Got the pressure washer all done. No more vibration. All good
Sounds
to go.
great. Thank you very much, Seth.
No problem. Another happy customer. Got Rabbit River all figured out. Now off to the next stop where we're doing a pressure washer big fix. The pressure washer pump and the motor have been shot, so meet you there. Okay, at our next stop. So here we have an older unit. It's been sitting for a few years, and the customer started this thing up, worked for a little bit, but then something happened. So after I took a look at it, we saw that there was a lot of corrosion getting into this from the lines. So when you have bad water, it can cause all sorts of issues for your pressure washer. And in this case, blew out the seals. And after the seal had been blown out, it actually leaked into the main electric motor. So that shorted that out as well. So this customer has opted for a complete replacement of this motor and this pump. So let's see if we can get him up on it, get him back up on his feet. So I just got all the work finished, and we're gonna give it a try, see how it works. This is our first startup of the thing. So got the machine on the ready mode, and once I pull the trigger, this thing will turn on, and we'll see how much pressure we got and see if we fix this thing. Looks to be working great. Let me recap what we all did here for this customer. So his motor was blown and his pump had been blown. So we got a replacement for both of those, got everything switched over. The water problem, we're gonna have that fixed. He's got a company, Great Lakes Water Treatment, coming in to fix all his water situation. So this unit right here should be good for a few years for sure, even with a lot of heavy work. These are great units, and when you keep up on them, keep up on their maintenance, you're going to have success and great washing. So thanks for staying tuned with me all today, and hope you enjoyed this video. Really appreciate it.